Hey guys, so if you guys want to come to Dollar Tree with me, I'm gonna show you guys some really cool products that you can find right at the Dollar Tree and at the 99 cent store to help you organize your lash space. So we're gonna keep a budget of under $25. I'm organizing some of the lash supplies of one of our lash artists. So come on in with me and we're gonna do it together. I'm gonna show you some cool finds. All right guys, I'm at the Dollar Tree here. I just want to show you guys my cart. I want to show you what I managed to find and show you guys how you can do the same to organize your lash space. So let's check out my cart. Okay, so these are going to be really cool to organize some of your adhesives. I love the cool pink colors that I found, and they're only $1, which is really cool. Then I have these for larger items, like for example disinfecting items and other things like that. Then I absolutely love this. So it's like a very shallow basket, so that's going to be really cool to organize a lot of things. And then I have these little ones that kind of fit in like this, so you can just kind of organize them how you like. And you can see there's different sizes, so you can do as you wish. But they have it also in teal color, which I love. And these are the other organizers that they have to put inside, which I'm kind of obsessed with. You can also use these little clear storage bins, which are very helpful. So basically it's actually going to be in like the organizational aisle, I guess, like cleaning supplies area. So overall there's quite a lot to choose from. I really also like these clear organizers because you can easily see what's inside, you can easily access them, and so it's just going to be easier to find a lot of your lash stuff without having to purchase new ones because you forgot that you had you know, a certain lash tray that you thought you needed to buy, but actually turns out you have a few more like that. So I just want to show you guys again. Overall, my favorite, I would say, are those, like the really shallow bins. I'm really loving those. So I'm getting them all in pink, and I'm gonna show you guys a little bit later how we're gonna organize it. Okay guys, so if you want to see the back of my truck, I'm gonna show you the back of my car. This is basically what we got from the 99-cent store and from Dollar Tree. So keep watching to see how I'm gonna organize the cart. So at the Dollar Tree, we did have a successful mission. Everything I got that I showed you guys in the cart was only $17. So that puts us under the $20 mark, and we got a lot of stuff. So I'm very excited to show you guys what it's gonna look like when I manage to organize the cart finally, the lash cart, and put everything neatly and organized. And the reason you want to do this is because you really just want to avoid wasting money and wasting products, because very often like you'll have like 3 of the same lash tray, or you know, like 4 of the same tweezer, and you just forget because you have so much stuff, so much clutter. So that this way, at least if everything is visible, if everything is within your field of view, you're not gonna make those purchases thinking that you don't have any more of that left. So yeah, so anyway, now I'm gonna go and try to see at Walmart if they have anything else that we could potentially use. If I find something, I am going to show you guys as well.